Hey, I'm Doug. Welcome to Backcountry Pilgrim, a channel all about camping, hiking, and backpacking, and the gear that goes with it. If you're into that stuff, why don't you subscribe? Today, I want to talk to you about whether or not I can get 50 liters worth of equipment into a 40-liter backpack. Like many of you, I spent a lot of 2020 upgrading my backpacking gear. Unfortunately, also probably like many of you, I did not spend very much of 2020 backpacking. I got in my first backpacking trip in early spring of 2020, and literally that weekend was when the parks started shutting down due to COVID. As I stated in an earlier video, my grand plans to walk the Camino de Santiago in spring were also canceled. Over the summer, with all the park closures and other issues, I just wasn't able to put together a backpacking trip. And then once the parks did start to reopen, here in California we went into our fire season and things got really bad. Between additional park closures from the fires and the unhealthy air, it was just not a good time to be spending multiple days in the backcountry. So I had a bunch of gear for my Camino and a bunch of backpacking gear, and I just wasn't totally sure how it all fit together. One of my most important gear upgrades was my sleep system. I went from a Moonstone mummy bag that has served me well for many years, but is fairly heavy and not very compressible, to a UGQ Bandit quilt. This thing is amazing. It's actually much warmer than the sleeping bag, and yet it compresses far smaller and is a lot lighter. I also replaced my big heavy blow-up mattress with a Nemo tensor, and what all this means is that I got a bunch of new gear. I upgraded some stuff that I'd had for a long time, but I never really had a chance or a need to try to pack it. And what I want to find out today is whether or not all of this new gear means that I can move from my Osprey Atmos 50-liter pack to my lightweight Zerk 40-liter pack. Now, this is not a gear review video, so I'm not going to go into a lot of details about what is in here. I will, however, put a list in the description below of all the gear, as well as links in case you are interested in getting it. All right, let's move into Studio B and see how this thing goes down. All right, we have a pack cover, a puffy jacket, a bear can, a mug, water bottle, water purification system and dirty bag, med and poop kit, food bag, kilt, tent, sleep pad, ground cloth, towel, complete cook system, rain jacket, bug net, pillow, extra socks, knife, emergency locator, power bank, sit pad, headlamp, phone, quilt, and it's all gotta go in that. All right, here we go. $251. Now for the real test. All right, this feels all right. Now, if I had to put the bear can into the mix, it would definitely change things up. But I also did not bring my bear can straps with me, so this is not really the way I would attach it. All right, well, that is it for now. I hope you enjoyed this packing video. If you did, would you mind giving the video a like and subscribe if you haven't already? Click that bell so that I can let you know the next time videos drop. And until next time, I'm Doug. This is Backcountry Pilgrim. Thanks for watching.